Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 1.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.6% during the session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The global financial elite gathering in Davos, Switzerland this week, warned of the dangers stemming from the looming US federal debt limit fight, a potential crisis that overshadowed any cheer from a reopening of China's economy and diminishing recession risks in Europe. The National Australia Bank, one of the four biggest Australian banks, has created a stablecoin called AUD-N, which it aims to launch in the middle of 2023, according to the Australian Financial Review report. The stablecoin will launch on the Ethereum and Algorand blockchain, a smart contract platform similar to Ethereum. The dollar rose broadly as growth concerns about the US economy drove demand for the safe haven greenback, while the yen rebounded as speculators doubled down on bets that the Bank of Japan would shift away from its yield curve control policy.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK retail sales will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Germany's Producer Price Index at 0700 hours GMT. The Dutch Consumer Confidence ADJ at 0530 GMT. The UK's GfK Consumer Confidence will be released at 0000 hours and 1 minute GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1800 hours GMT. The US existing home sales at 1500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.